What you talking about? See, they say how you could What else? And what else?
Listen,
What else?
I'll say this. Because all my homies, they know what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Turn the pages to explore.
Because for real, I could have snapped out. Larry was trying to be like, all right. I said, no, don't do that. Because, you know, these people that see you out like that, the next team, BA said, he said, he came to play. He's like,
Bye-bye.
I said, don't even react. Don't even react. Take that in. But that's what you're supposed to do.
Enjoy the music.
Currently at the Bright residence.
Oh yeah.
Put up
Lay down a little bit.
this crib.
See? Get one leg. Lay down a little bit. Cause it's a different door frame.
Oh, that's what.
Kansas. Kansas. Kansas, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Say, Nanny, I'm jumping. Say, Nanny, I'm jumping. You jumping, big boy?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, look at them legs go. Yeah.
It's still down there? It's still down there? Dang, babe. You just thank you.
Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. You better put up your crib. You about to put up your crib. Yeah. Say yeah. 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 Ironically, call Zoe. Ready?
Yes.
Yeah, I already know. She's so excited.
I am. Y'all don't know. Cause of my daddy. My daddy Will, I am Bob the Builder. Will Barbara the Builder, I guess you could say.
Right.
So I love to build stuff. I build everything in this house if I can, and I call and ask my husband to help when it's time to move it, or I need him to hold something down so I can screwdriver in. When I'm doing it, don't nobody bother me.
Right.
But today I'm gonna drag through it.
We both really like this. We both got it from our daddy, cause I be building stuff too at the house. Yeah, we got the crib open.
Cause you want to
Now we're about to.
keep dropping that hand. That's what's comfortable to you. Huh?
What's that?
That's what's
We're gonna take
comfortable to
everything
you.
out now.
That time, because he's sleep on the couch during that time. He can play pen. He's gonna sit on the bed. I don't think he care about the dad. He's playing. That's probably that's what they tried to convince me to stay. And she left because of the same reason, like stress, workload. And she worked on site, so hers even worse. Like, and I was just like, I'm at home and stressed out, so I can do that on site look like. So I was like, I gotta get out of here.
Alright, so that's done.
That's really, I feel like my. You ain't got no hands. That's why you mad.
Right.
Kansas, take you. Wait, hold on. Now look, now he okay. Okay. Just cause you leaning to the side like that. let me put your hands. Kenzie, stop hopping, baby. Okay.
I can't use my hand.
Okay. He shouldn't be, but he slept the whole car ride there and the whole car ride just back home. And he was in the car a long time going to the job.
What is this?
He slept at the job, even when I was outside talking.
It's okay. Yeah. It's okay.
You like the camera?
Okay, then you're gonna get back to doing your crib, okay? Okay. So y'all, this is our progress so far. Got all these parts. But hey.
Ouch. Should have asked that in the room. This is crazy. Is this side locked?
Is this side really locked?
Huh?
That side not locked either.
Yeah. Maybe. This ain't the final step because we took the next page.
But it say, look, at the end of the paper it say stand up. What is it? What about that? We're running into some difficulties. Give us a second. We'll be right back.
Chloe.
Barbara? We're running into some issues, guys.
So, we're going to
What kind
slide
of
this
stuff?
part of the way.
Let's start on the other.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and say. Is that right? Yeah, turn it like this.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
It'll be better
That's
to
too
do
low?
it deeper.
Isn't that too low? That's like, you gotta, cause this be blocking, so I don't have the space to like, I have to go like this. You see what I'm saying? That's what I'm
It
like,
ain't gonna be that bad.
come on.
This ain't gonna
Get him
be
out, go on that
bad.
side. Like, get him out.
Okay.
Get him out. Give me.
Hang it. Do it right here then.
That's one.
Well then.
That's
But
one.
the mattress, though, you gotta think of the mattress.
That's what I'm saying.
So do it at two.
Y'all gonna have to test anyway. Somebody laying
Do it
there.
at two.
Which column here say? Okay, let me just see this right quick. Okay, so it said, we got that, which we had this. But kind of having a little issue with one
I
side.
heard you.
One side.
She said she put in an application.
It
That's
fit.
the last thing she told me.
What's that? It fit.
Huh?
This gonna be just fine.
Okay. So while we can finish building, so I'm gonna turn it up, turn
We
it around, turn it,
is
you know.
almost
Say
done.
you don't have
Well,
to
we
buy
really
it.
are
It's just
done.
the way I come out.
Really, the only
The
issue is that
that's not, you know,
the
way
other side
they
with the
say it,
drawers.
it just will not save.
just don't want to work. It just don't want to screw in. So we have to figure it out later. But this is the crib.
So it's not affected. This is the whole crib. We turned it this way so we can finish it because this wall, it would just keep falling. Like it's not staying. Like it's not staying. Like we like reread the directions again and get like 4 times. I don't know, 3-4 times on it. We redid like the bolts they told us to do and put the dowels in, and it's just not staying. So we had just turned this part against the wall, so we could just work on everything else. And so everything else is secure, even this part that connects to the crib. So the crib is fine. He could be in here, but I'm like, I want to get this done so I can actually use the drawer and shelf space and the table space. And so can we turn it around
So Daddy can see.
Is it a metal piece you're supposed to put in there and supposed to turn it on?
Yep, and we did that, and it's not staying. Like we put it's on the what is it called? Yeah, they had us put a cam bolt in there, and then put the cam lock, and then lock it, and it also had some little wood like dowels, and then lock the cam lock. But then it's like the thing, it was like still, you know how like every time you screw when you do.
Yes, bye, my darling. Bye, my sweetie. Bye, sweetie.
No, don't give me the lip. No, don't do it. Don't do it, sugar. Don't do it. Don't give me that lip. All right, Mommy. Well, I'll call you back.
I hang up. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Granny. Love you.
See you later.
Love
you. Love you too, baby. Bye, baby.
Bye-bye. Sinky, she almost done. Mommy's almost done. She's almost done. So we finally, Tay Tay and my daddy finally figure out. I give her the credit on this part.
Thank you. Cause I mean, run me my.
I give her the credit on this part, just this part.
Yeah, that's all I need. Cause you helped with everything else. I just really made the call. We really just. We was like so hooked up. We tried to YouTube. We could not figure this part out.
Yeah, that part was kind of hard. But we almost done, so I'm gonna show y'all the finished products. But so far, this is the crib, and then that's the shelf, and the changing, and the drawer.
He's so sad.
It's okay. I'm about to get you. Nanny about to get you, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Nanny gonna get you, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Kansas, look. Little tanky, look at the sun.
I need you again.
Little nugget, look at the sun.
Let me get it, yeah. Lift this part up. Is yours gonna lift with you at the same time? So I have to match it on both ends. They have to be level.
It's okay. It's okay.
You gonna pull it up?
It's okay. I know, sugar.
The top lock there, baby.
Oh, you gotta tighten it loose.
Yeah, I haven't tightened it yet. I'm sure if I can match them, I can let you go.
I'll do both. What you doing?
Oh gosh! Thank you, Jesus. Oh!
Finally.
Yeah. Gosh, man. Dang. Tanky, we put you in here and you cry, I know something. Okay. Mama grab you now. Come on.
That's what I've been wanting.
You was sad because you was hungry. Baby,
He like, I don't want to talk.
huh?
He like, I don't want to talk.
You sure don't. You want to eat? You don't want to talk, I want to eat. You don't want to talk, I want to eat.
Yeah, watch this.
Cause I know he'd be mad. You want to bounce in it? You just want to eat, huh?
He said, if you don't jump, 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 jump. He's like, you want to jump and cry. Nigga, you want to jump and cry? Jump, jump, jump.
Why he jumping and crying at the same time?
My baby, y'all don't make fun of my baby.
Don't make fun of my baby. Okay. Okay.
So y'all, this is the finished product. Well, we got to do the drawer, but that's about it.
Yes.
It's nice. It's big too.
It is big.
And there's Nugget.
Come on, let's eat.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Let's eat.
Say bye-bye. Yeah, he don't care nothing.
He
about
just want
nothing.
milk.
Well, guys, that is the end of the video.
I'm not in the back taking my boob out.
No, you're not in the back. Take your
Okay.
boob out. Mom breastfeeding. All right.
Yeah. It's yours.
Nugget.
Yeah. You like it? You like it? You smiling and kicking feet. It's all yours. Yeah. It's a big boy.
Nugget. Hey. Hey, Nanny baby. Hey, Nanny baby. You content now that you had something to eat? Yeah, I feel it. I feel it. Nanny about to go. Bye-bye. See you later. See you later.